Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, my esteemed colleagues at the Supreme Court, Justice Suryakant, my other distinguished sisters and judges of the Supreme Court of India, Minister of State for Law and Justice, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Attorney General for India, Shri R. Venkatramani, Solicitor General of India, Shri Tushar Mehta, and the law officers, the Honorable former Chief Justices and the judges of the Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justices and judges of the various High Courts who are present here and who are also joined virtually, the Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Shri Manan Kumar Mishra, President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Shri Kapil Sibal, members of the Bar and the Registry, dear guests and members of the audience. Good evening to everyone. It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you on this momentous occasion. Today, we gather to celebrate a historic milestone, 75 years since the adoption of our Constitution. The adoption of the Constitution was a tectonic shift in the history of India, which redefined the nation's identity and aspirations. It not only affirmed India's sovereignty, but also laid the foundation for a new social order for its people. The framing of the Constitution was, however, not an easy task. It was a process that went through years of discussions, deliberations, and negotiations. If one reads the Constituent Assembly debates, it would be evident that every member had distinct views on various constitutional provisions. But despite their differing perspectives on several issues, the framers of our Constitution stood united in their singular vision to give the people of India their own Constitution that would empower them, safeguard their rights, and guarantee their freedoms. This monumental effort was not merely about drafting a legal framework, but about laying the cornerstone of a nation built on the principles of justice, equality, liberty, and fraternity. Over the past 75 years, we have witnessed remarkable progress since that historic moment when the Constitution was adopted. Our democratic institutions have continuously evolved, striving to strengthen the constitutional protections and rights enshrined within this foundational document. Through their actions, our institutions, including the judiciary, have worked to translate the lofty constitutional ideals into tangible realities for the people of India. The people of India have also shown respect and sense of ownership towards the Constitution. Across generations, the Constitution has represented the aspirations and unity of our diverse nation. In particular, the marginalized communities have drawn strength from the values embedded in the Constitution. They often evoke its principles to advocate for their rights. This enduring relationship between the Constitution and the people is a testament to its role as both a protector and a catalyst for social change, ensuring that the voices of all, especially the most vulnerable, are heard and respected. Today, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, has graced the occasion with his presence. Under his leadership, the Union government had a decade ago in 2015 officially declared November 26 as a Constitution Day. On behalf of the Supreme Court of India, I welcome him with warm regards. I also welcome the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjeev Khanna, as well as my past and present colleagues. Over the last 75 years, the judges of the Supreme Court have tirelessly dedicated themselves to delivering justice to the people of our nation. This unwavering commitment has ensured that the doors of justice remain accessible to even the most marginalized members of society. I extend my warm welcome to the Honorable Minister of State for Law and Justice, the learned Attorney General for India, the learned Solicitor General, the Chairman and members of the Bar Council of India, the President and Office Bearers of SCBA, the Office Bearers of SCORA, the senior lawyers, members of the Bar, the registrars, and the staff of the Supreme Court. When we celebrate our progress, it is equally important to reflect on the nation's journey under the guiding principles of the Constitution and to renew our commitment to upholding its values in every aspect of life. In an address to the Constituent Assembly on November 25, 1949, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, emphasized the principles of fraternity as the cornerstone of constitutional values. According to him, and I quote, "Fraternity means a sense of common brotherhood of all Indians. If Indians being one people, it is the principle which gives unity and solidarity to social life." In his words, fraternity is another name for democracy. We must continue to embrace this vision articulated by Dr. Ambedkar and the framers of our Constitution. By doing so, we can advance towards a future defined by progress, equality, and justice for all. With these words, I once again welcome all of you and extend my greetings to the people of India on the occasion of the Constitution Day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for such an enlightening address where you have so lucidly highlighted